Hey everyone, welcome back to Empowering Your Finance, the channel dedicated to helping you make smart money moves. Today, we're diving into 7 game-changing financial life hacks, specifically designed for millennials. These life hacks are not your grandma's financial tips. We're talking about simple, actionable strategies that can make a massive difference in your financial future. So whether you're just starting to think about your finances or you're already on track but looking for an edge, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's jump right in. The first life hack is all about automating your savings. Automating your savings is like setting your finances on autopilot. It's hands-off, effortless, and it actually works. Set up a recurring automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. You can choose a specific amount or even a percentage of your paycheck. The key is to make it automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. There are tons of apps out there that can help you with this, like Digit and Capital. These apps analyze your spending habits and automatically transfer small amounts of money to your savings account. Now let's talk about budgeting. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful budgeting method that can help you gain control of your money without feeling deprived. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your after-tax income should go towards your needs. Then 30% goes towards your wants, things that bring you joy, like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. And finally, the remaining 20% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This includes your automated savings, emergency fund, and any extra payments you're making on student loans, credit cards, or other debts. Let's face it, debt is a drag. But the good news is, you can tackle your debt strategically and become debt-free sooner than you think. Here's the key. Focus on paying off your high-interest debts first. These are the debts that are costing you the most money in interest charges over time. There are 2 popular methods for tackling debt: the avalanche method and the snowball method. The avalanche method involves paying off your highest interest debt first, while making minimum payments on all other debts. The snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate, providing a psychological boost as you see debts disappear. Now, let's move on to investing. Investing might seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. One of the easiest and most effective ways to invest is through low-cost index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer instant diversification and typically have lower fees than actively managed mutual funds. Another great option for beginner investors is Robo-Advisors. Robo-Advisors are automated investing platforms that create and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't leave free money on the table. Many employers offer valuable benefits that can help you save money and boost your financial well-being. One of the most common employer benefits is a 401k retirement plan. Another valuable employer benefit is an employer match. This is when your employer contributes a certain amount of money to your 401k based on your own contributions. Make sure you're contributing enough to your 401k to receive the full employer match if your company offers it. Life happens, and sometimes it throws curveballs our way. That's why it's crucial to have a financial safety net in place. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. Consider keeping your emergency fund in a separate high-yield savings account so it's easily accessible when you need it. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's essential to make continuous learning a part of your financial journey. There are countless resources available to help you expand your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. Some of my all-time recommendations include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. In addition to books, there are tons of amazing podcasts and blogs out there that cover a wide range of financial topics. So there you have it, 7 financial life hacks that can help millennials take control of their money and achieve their financial goals. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Empowering Your Finance for more financial tips and tricks. Click the link in the description to check out my playlist of videos on everything from budgeting and saving to investing in real estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.